So stock market crashing for the second time, and oh man, everybody keep asking me what's going on with the stock market. Are we going through another crash? Are we gonna, see even more dips? Should we buy now? Should we wait? Is this the sell-off that is happening for the December? And what is going on with all that hype that is going on around the Bitcoin? And you have all these new IPOs that is coming in December. So people are asking me, hey, YOUSEF, should we invest into the stock market as of right now? Is it too late, or is this the perfect time to start buying into the stock market? But really, I'm gonna go over that. I'm gonna explain the little details of what's going on, why the stock market is crashing of some sort, and is this the right time for you guys to start investing into the stock market? So stay tuned. We're gonna talk about stock market all day today. Let's get into it, baby. Let's go. What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is YOUSEF ZAD, and today we're going to be talking about all about stock market and all the things that is happening with the stock market. And I don't know if you guys been checking out the stocks. It's been crashing. It's been crashing for the past few days, and man, it's kind of been a struggle. But people keep asking me, hey, YOUSEF, is this a good time to start investing into the stock market? Should we wait till January? Should we wait till after the election that it's happening? But one thing that I have to tell you guys, so there's a whole trek between selling your stocks end of the year and buying back to them back in January again. So one thing that you have to realize, every time end of the year you file for your taxes, or maybe beginning of the year when you do your taxes, if you lost any money into the stock market or basically anywhere, you can claim that on your taxes and claim it as lost wages. So basically you lost that money, either it was with cryptocurrency, with stocks, gold, or whatever it is. And I believe you can claim up to $3,000 on your taxes. But again, I'm not a professional. Make sure you ask someone who's very professional and they know all the little details. But you can claim up to $3,000 on your tax returns as a lost wages. So, but this one is basically, that's why so many people are selling their stocks in December. So what happens is all the stock market goes up rapidly for a couple of months, basically the last quarter of the year. And then what happens is everybody starts selling their accounts because they want to show that they lost some sort of money or they didn't make as much money in the stock market. And that's what happened. It triggers a effect that basically everything goes to selling off. Almost we see a mini crash of everything selling off, at least going down 10 to 15%, and it makes it a little bit confusing for someone who's new to the stock market, just like you and me. So but basically you should not, definitely don't panic. It's very temporary, and it's gonna go back up again as soon as we're done with Christmas. Sometimes a little bit sooner, sometimes even before Christmas. It's only for a few days, but sometimes a little bit more because people wanted to finish the year saying that they didn't make as much money, so they can file it on their taxes and find out what the best thing they can do in terms of their taxes. But is this a great time for you to start investing into the stock market? Absolutely. I mean, if you're an investor and if you're a long-term investor just like me, you shouldn't worry about any of this stuff because you want to leave your money in there and you don't want to really touch it, and you want to leave it for months and whatever years that it's need to come, just like your 401k or so many other stuff. So you shouldn't really worry about it. But the money that is sitting there, if you're going to be investing for 1 or 2 months, then yes, this is a great time for you to invest into the stock market because everything on a sell-off for at least 4-5%. Everything has been selling off. Some of the stuff have been selling off for at least 10%. So again, this is a perfect time and opportunity for you to start making money in the stock market, and this is a great time to buy everything on sale. Basically you're buying everything 10 to 15% off, and I mean, it's amazing. It's an opportunity that you're not gonna get at all times. But one other thing that a lot of people are asking me about is the IPO. So as you may know already, this week was the starting point for 2 different companies. One was DoorDash and one was Airbnb, which both are giant. But you know, one thing that I don't like about the hypes nowadays is when they have so many people have access to start investing into the stock market, it also makes companies hyped up. Just like Airbnb, I believe they wanted to go public around $68 a share, but they're already at whopping $150, $145, and it's way over my expectation, and it's way over how much I thought they would go. So is this the right time to basically start investing into those IPOs? And for me, honestly, as of my opinion, I don't think you want to start investing into these companies till you see their earnings, because as you may know, within the past 5-6 months, the earnings has been tough for a lot of companies. And DoorDash and Airbnb, they just went public, so you can start buying their shares. But should you buy them right now? I would say wait a little bit to see what is going on with their earnings, how much they show earning, and those kind of stuff. Then you can kind of get a better grasp into what the company is actually doing, how much money they're making, and basically finding out about the fundamentals of the company. So that's another important part, that whenever you're investing into any company, you definitely want to take the time, study the company, and do all your research for the fundamental of the company before you put your money in there. Again, my name is YOUSEF ZAD. I usually talk about stock market, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Pi network, and all the good things that you guys can make money on every day with your phone, as simple as that. If you like my content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think about DoorDash and Airbnb, or if you guys actually invested in these two companies. And hopefully we're gonna see some crazy things happening. I know stock market has been doing bad within the past 4 or 5 months, and Bitcoin has been going up, but I saw a little hiccup in Bitcoin, so it may not go over 20,000, and it's kind of been struggling to pass that high highs. And you know, I would still wait around to see what's going on with Bitcoin. But hope you guys have a great weekend coming up, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Ciao.